Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We are back with another video, and today it's gonna be a little short video. We're making a cutoff. Basically how to turn any shirt into a clean, nice cutoff like this. If you don't feel like buying cutoffs or buying stringers, just take a t-shirt. Today we got a young pinch shirt that I never wear, and we're gonna turn it into a cutoff, and then I'll actually wear it to the gym. But yo, before we start, make sure you subscribe if you are new. Like the video right now if you're coming back to the channel. And yeah, we about to get into it. So let's get it. Alright, so we got your shirt right here, right? First of all, I don't want this tag, so I'm gonna rip this tag off. Basically, you wanna make sure your shirt is lined up good. You'll be able to figure it out. You want these parts of the shirt to be in line with each other, so that it's flat and it's not uneven. The biggest thing I see a lot of people do when they make these, they cut them way too in. Like they start their cut too close to the neck and it just looks weird. I find like coming out farther, it looks a lot better. I've been making these for a while, so I'm kind of experienced when it comes to making these. Basically, I say probably like 2 to 3 inches from the neck of the shirt, and then you just cut. So, and then the thing is, once you cut, you gotta commit. So you can't just stop, you gotta commit to it. Some people glide it right through. I like to just take my time with it. You wanna come inwards first for a little bit and then basically go straight down. You don't wanna go down too far, but right about there is good. I'd say probably, what's that, like 3 inches past, 3-4 inches past the bottom of the sleeve. And then basically you try to do that as best as you can on the other side, like matching it. We'll do that, and we don't want to cut off the logo, so we're gonna just miss it, and it should turn out perfecto. The shirt, make sure it's even right about there. And one thing, if you're a fan of headbands, you can cut these into headbands. Watch. You take the extra part of the sleeve and cut it off. And then this is just the sleeve. Literally just take it like this, put it on, and you got a headband. I don't wear headbands, but if I did, it'd be kind of sick. But yeah, this is what you get, right? It should look something like this. This cutoff should look tough. I didn't even cut off the back, that's perfect. Beach Boy on the back. We're gonna try it on for you guys. Flex on them. Let's see. It's not bad. Could've did better. Still tough. But if I wanted to adjust it, I could. But I don't really care. But yeah, that's the cutoff tutorial for you guys to turn any shirt into a cutoff that you can wear to the gym and look sick, obviously, come on. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video and you want more videos like this, let me know. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys are looking for a coach, you already know, links in my bio, coach, training programs, all that on my website. Best clothing in the game, Fitletics. If you guys want to support me and you want some quality gym clothes, that link is also in my bio. And yeah, you'd be supporting me and you'd be getting quality gym clothes, so it's a win-win. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.